Okay, Assalamualaikum. Selamat petang dan salam satu Malaysia. Okay, this video I made just for my mum. Okay, actually I have some gaps for 2 hours and I don't go straight to the cafe. I have to tell this because this thing is bothering me since yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. It's all about you, mum. Okay, don't get offended of what I'm going to say. It's just these things keep spinning on my head all the time. It is because my friends' reaction towards me and when they know about you. Okay, there are some questions, some very silly questions that I have to answer all over and over again. Even I have told them like 1,000 times already, they still ask me the same questions. How old is your mom? And I was like 38. I told them 38 and I'm 18. And they was like, really? Your mom doesn't look like 38. Is she your mom or she is your sister? Don't lie. And I was like, dude, I told you she's her mom. She's my mom, sorry. And they was like, okay, whatever, don't lie. I just, yes, okay, that's one thing. And the other thing is about your addiction to music, especially Avenged Sevenfold. Yes, you are very creepy fans of them, right? Okay, I told them, okay, my mom loves Avenged Sevenfold, My Chemical Romance, System of a Down thing, and they was like, is she really your mom? And I was like, yes, she is my mom. And I was like, okay, fine. And you like Harry Potter, right? And I don't like fancy thing like Harry Potter. And they said, you should be your mom and your mom should be you. Because of what? Because your mom is so entertaining, way more entertaining than you. And I was like, oh really? So, and yeah, I'm kind of jealous of you actually. It's not like bad jealous, it's a good thing actually. Oh yeah, they said, oh, your mom is so pretty. And I was like, how about me? I think I'm pretty too because you said my mom is pretty, so I have to be pretty lah. Supposed to be lah. And they said, but we prefer your mom. And I was like, good. But it hurts inside here. Forget it. By the way, here's a good thing. When they have some crisis with their moms, blah blah blah, and they have some problems, and they told me, and I just said, oh, it's not a big deal. You can talk to your mom. You can talk. Okay, just tell her what she needs to know because you are fighting because you are hiding something from her. Every mom wants to know what is her daughter or her son is doing, right? So they have the right to know because they are their moms, right? Okay, like me and you, I have nothing to hide because we don't keep secrets, because we just tell what we know and what we do because we are honest to each other. I think that's a key for our closeness. I thought lah. And they were like, dude, I wish I have mom like you. Okay. And I was like, I'm so lucky to have you and I just want to tell you are the greatest mom. I know it's not Mother's Day or something. I should post it on Mother's Day. But it's just I was thinking of you all the time because I supposed to get home this Friday and I miss home so much. I miss you, I miss dad, I miss adik-adik and yes, anak-anak kucing. Sangat-sangat rindu Mimi dengan baby. And I hope by seeing this you boleh ambil I cepat sikit. Okay, that's all. Since I have class, sorry if I take 4 minutes of your time. Okay, you're supposed to browse for Avenged Sevenfold something, right? Okay, that's all. Okay, I'm going. Bye, mom.